Today we're going to look at the new announcements feature in Employee Self-Service, which allows you to post new announcements for your employees to see. So let's click on the announcements and see what we have here. Timbits. How do these announcements get here, and how do they get set up? Well, the answer to that question is going to start with your inquiry master. If we go into our setup and then employee access, then we can edit an employee here. Here we have two options. First option is announcements. This will allow your employee to see the announcements. And then we have manage announcements. This will allow a user to create and delete the announcements. And then if I log in as a manager, here we can see I have the option to manage announcements. I can edit a current announcement, delete an announcement. Here I can hit new announcement. I can enter the date of when I want the announcement to occur. Now in my example, my announcement will occur October 9th. Thanks for watching.